Hello friends, welcome to the MayuriCodeHub. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is gonna be about how to develop a simple desktop-based application in Python using its Tkinter library. So let's get right into the video. So in this video, I'm going to build a simple password generator using Python Tkinter library. So let's get started. So here is the code for our password generator application. So first of all, I import some modules like string, random and Tkinter. Then the root is equal to tk, which is used to create the main window for our application. Then here I set the title for our application window, which is password generator. Then this is root.geometry, which is used to set the height and width for our application. And then the root.resizable, here I set it as false. It means which we cannot resize our application window. Then there is the variable, which is of string data type, and it is used to store our final generated password. Then the function, which is password gen. Inside it I import the uppercase and lowercase letters, then the digits and punctuations from the string module, and store it into these 4 local variables. Then again I created some variables to randomize these uppercase, lowercase, digits and punctuations, and for that I use the random.choice function. Then one more variable to concatenate these 4 randomized variables. Then the for loop, which is used to randomize the occurrence of alphabet, digit or symbol. Then the root.config is used to set the background color for our application window. Then the password variable, which indicates the password length. Then the label, which is used to simply display the text on our application window. So here is the label, which displays the enter password length, and here is the entry widget. So I use this entry widget to simply display the text box which accepts the user input, which is password length. Then the button, which is generate. By clicking on that button, the generated password will be displayed on the window. And here I give the command as password gen, which is our function name. So it jumps to the function name and executes all this code. Then one more label, which displays generated password, and one more text box, which displays our final generated password. Then the status var variable, which is of string, which, so here I set this variable as by MayuriCodeHub, and the label to display this text, and the root.main loop, which executes our output. So let's run the project. So here you can see. So here I enter the password length. Suppose I enter 6 and click on the generate button. So it displays our generated password. It is random password. So I again enter 6 and click on generate. It again displays some random characters. So again I entered 8 and click on generate button. So it displays the 8 characters as randomized password. So that's it. So that's all about the password generator application using Python Tkinter. I hope you all understood the code. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.